It's not just vaccines, it's vaccines and us against COVID-19.
BC's provincial health officer Dr. Bonnie Henry and Minister of Health Adrian Dix held a special COVID information session Tuesday, directly addressing the South Asian community and media.
The South Asian radio and South Asian television have done so much to give people information, important information about public health issues.
Even now, when the messaging comes out, one of the concerns we have is that how many people are still going to understand.
The pair answered questions from South Asian media on the current state of the COVID-19 pandemic. The Fraser Health region, which has a large South Asian community, has continued to be a COVID hotspot in the province. And Moninder Singh with BC's Gurdwaras Council says although the South Asian media has bared the weight of making updated COVID information accessible, he's concerned with the lack of multilingual messaging being provided at the province's live press briefings.
People are watching these updates on Facebook and other channels and TV. Is to have that done immediately in the moment would go so far for people to get updated information. And there's a lot of populations that live and reside within like the Fraser Valley that are already marginalized, either from immigrant or refugee backgrounds, and not having language as a barrier kind of pushes them even to the fringe again.
Questions posed at the information session included topics surrounding school transmission, booking vaccinations, and whether Surrey residents should be more greatly prioritized to get the vaccine, like other hard-hit regions such as Whistler, which has been providing vaccinations to all residents 18 years of age and over.
About 150,000 people have been immunized in Surrey already. The first community, in fact, for a while, the only community whose school staff was vaccinated was Surrey. The first community for childcare workers to be vaccinated, Surrey. The first community for first responders to be vaccinated, above 50,000 in the province, Surrey.
Singh hopes the choice to address the South Asian community will bring people together and not single anyone out.
Like, I agree with the statements as in like we're in this together. I definitely would push that message out to everyone right now as well, that regardless of any individual area in the province or the country, any individual community, that we have to continue to look at this as we're in this together.
In Vancouver, Ashley Burr, City News.